So I want to tell you about the offshore planer board and the two different style clips that I like to use. Basically, for 90% of my fishing applications for walleyes, that includes, pulling spinners, pulling crankbaits, I use the OR18 black snapper up in the front. Very simple. Just clip it into your line and then clip the back clip, and I always have a little bit of slack in between the line, just in between the clips, because I always use a tattle flag to find those bites. But basically that OR18 snapper is for 90% of my fishing. For the other 10% of the bites that I get, I'm going to switch over to the orange clip, which is the OR19. And the reason I do this is anytime you get walleyes that are suspended high in the water column, they'll have a tendency to come up and grab your baits and then run back to the bottom. And when that happens, a lot of times they'll bury your boards or sink them under the surface of the water. When that happens, you have very little chance of landing that fish. So what I do is switch over to the orange clips. Same thing, you just put a little bit of slack in between the clips so you can see that bite on the tattle flag. And what happens is when this board goes underwater, you have no choice other than to try and get this board unclipped and get it back up to the surface. So all I do then is from my rod, I give it a quick snap to basically just pop that line out of that front or that orange clip. That board will turn around 180 degrees and allow you to bring that fish right to the boat. So those are the two clips I use. The OR18 for most applications, but if those fish are burying your board, switch over to the OR19 orange clip. You're going to land way more fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.